Well, in the previous videos, we did question 1.1, all the sub-questions in different videos. Now we're going to do question 1.2 that says solve simultaneously for x and y. And then I'm writing question 1.2. We need to solve for x and solve also for y. And then the equations are like y plus x equal 12, and the other is xy equal to 14 minus 3x. Now, going to solve for x and y. Now, I prefer to label the equations. I call this one equation 1 and equation 2. So from equation 1, for instance, because we have like y plus x equal 12, okay, this we can make y subject of the formula. That makes y equal to 12 minus x, okay, 12 minus x, and then we can take that value of y, substitute in equation 2. So equation 2 will then become, instead of me writing like xy, I'm going to write x. Okay, I'm going to write xy equal to 14 minus 3x. Now, instead of y, I'm going to substitute by the value of y, which is 12 minus x. Okay, if we expand this, this will be 12. Sorry, that means 12x minus x squared equal to 14 minus 3x. Okay, we can move whatever is on the, let's take whatever on the left to the right. This will be 0 equal to 14 minus 3x minus 12x plus x squared. And we can simplify by combining like terms. The terms with x squared, we only have like 1, only that one, so we're at x squared. And terms that end with x, we have like negative 3x and negative 12x, that makes negative 15x, and then plus 14. Okay, so we have like x squared minus 15x plus 14 equal to 0. Now, we can solve this, we have like a quadratic equation here. We can solve this by factorization. If I consider the last term, it's like it's positive 14, then I'm going to write here positive 14. Now I want to list all the factors of 14. The factors of 14 are like 1 and 14, 2 and 7. I say 1 and 14 because 1 times 14 makes 14, 2 and 7 because 2 times 7 makes 14. Now in the list of the factors of 14, I need to see the only one couple that will make a sum equal to the coefficients of the middle. So negative 15 is there, and then we notice that the term that can make negative 15 are basically negative 1 and negative 14. Okay, because 2 and 7 will never make negative 16. Now we can check. Minus 1 minus 14 is minus 15, and of course minus 1 times minus 14 is positive 14. Then and also because the coefficients here were just 1, we can just place in x in the bracket, okay, and then equal to 0. We sub in the values negative 1 and negative 14. So therefore we can say x minus 1 equals 0, or x minus 14 equals 0. Now let's move the board a little bit. So it's going to be like, I'll move it a bit here. Yeah. Because of space. Split is like all right. So now this means that x equal to 1 or x equal to 14. Then we will substitute those values in either equation 1 or equation 2. It will generate to find the corresponding y value. Okay. it's going to be either equation or equation, it's going to get the same answer. But I will always prefer to substitute here where I already work out my equation in terms of one variable y. So we'll say, so about this, okay, on a substitute there. Now, because we work out y equal to 12 minus x, okay, we can substitute the value of y there, okay, and also there. I mean, we substitute the value of x there. So over here, x has the value of 1, so we sub 1 there. Then we get x is equal to 13. Okay, and then also we sub the value of x, and then x is 14. Excuse me, x is 14 over here. Then that means y will be equal to -2. So we can say when x is 1, the corresponding y value will be 13. Okay. And when x is 14, its corresponding y value will be -2. Thank you.